Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO Find X2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this phone. And when you put it up for the first time, you should see on the screen right over here. So I'll start off by finding and selecting your desired language, which I'm gonna stick with English, and tap on Next. And this will take you to, well, user agreement. Nothing greets us better than user agreements that we need to obviously agree to, and then tap on Next. And here we have some user privacy, security, and protection. So I guess the only option is to tap on Next. User experience programs. Now here we have something that we don't have to agree to. You can read exactly what this is. Tap on the blue text as well to read more about it. And at the end of the day, you can just leave this empty if you don't want it. Tap on Next. And now we actually get to some actual setup of the device. So we have here connection to Wi-Fi. So if you want, you could choose Wi-Fi here, assuming you have one that you can connect to. If you don't worry, you can just simply skip this for now and later on connect to it just through settings. Now by skipping connecting to it right here, I believe on OPPO's as well as probably as many others, you will lose the ability, or well, the phone actually will lose the ability to set the date and time automatically, at least right now, till you connect to Wi-Fi. So by skipping it right here, I believe we will have on the next page the screen to actually input the date and time correctly ourselves, or fix it if it's incorrect. Now going back to the Wi-Fi section, once you tap on Next, you do have a couple of things right here. So you have a Wi-Fi assistant, which is a really nice option right here. So if you enable this, it will automatically select the best Wi-Fi. So that is assuming you have more than one connected. So if one of them sucks, the phone will choose the one that is, well, better for you. And then below that, once you enable this one, you will also have the switch for mobile network. So meaning if any kind of Wi-Fi that you can connect to just blows, you can always, or your phone will always choose mobile network in this case. And now this option is fairly okay, assuming you have a decent data plan for your phone. If you don't, this might not be the best option because you might run out of it way quicker than you would intend to, and you might be out of it basically at the end of the month or before month ends. So just keep that in mind. If you have something like 3 gigs or lower, I would probably discourage you from setting this on. But anything about that I think should be fine. That also will depend on what you actually do on your phone. But anyway, so once you select those or deselect, however you want them, tap on Next, and this will take you to Google services. And we have services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. So again, you can read exactly what these do. If you don't like them, simply disable them, go down and accept. And here we have screen lock method. So we have password, fingerprint, or face recognition. Now, I can't get past it how poorly it has been translated. It has been, excuse me for my English, but this is beyond abhorrent. So password, it's not a password. There is 3 different options. So this is just a screen lock, then fingerprint, I guess that's correct, and face recognition. And the one that bugs me the most is the password, because when you tap on it, it doesn't even go to the password by default. It goes to a PIN. But you can change it if you want to. So we have option between pattern, 4-digit PIN, 4 to 16-digit PIN, and then we actually have the thing that deserves the word password in it, an actual alphabetical one. So anyway, from here you can choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna stick with a pattern. So let's draw our pattern and redraw it, and this will automatically confirm it and set it up. And voila, it's basically now set. Then we have some recommended, auto update overnight. If you want it, enable it. If you don't, disable it. Honestly, it's not really a recommended or some kind of glorious feature. So I'm just gonna skip it for now. Now I have import data. So this step right here will allow you to import data from your older device to this one. I believe this does use a phone clone application, which means that if your other device, the old one, wasn't an OPPO, you will need to download this application from Play Store. If it's OPPO, it comes preloaded with the device, and you can simply launch it and then go through the guide on how to import your data that you've provided throughout the process. So by tapping on next, you will set it up as new and not import any data. So that's what I'm going to do, and then get started, and voila, we're done. So that is how you could go through the setup process of this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.